Imagine waking up one day to find your bank account has grown, not because of a banking error, but because you've mastered the art of making every penny count. Does it seem impossible? Today, I'm going to show you that not only is it possible, but it's within your reach. Together, we'll discover how the decisions you make today can transform your financial life in just 1 month. Forget the complicated schemes and empty promises. Here we're going to talk about strategies that really work. No beating around the bush. Ready to make your money work for you? Then stay tuned, because what's coming up could change your perspective on saving forever. Have you ever felt that no matter how hard you try, by the end of the month your balance looks the same? You're about to understand why. The majority make saving mistakes that are silent but deadly for your finances. We're going to expose these mistakes, one by one, and I'll show you how to avoid them. The first is living without a budget. If you don't know where your money is going, you can never control it. But don't worry, this isn't about depriving yourself of what you enjoy. It's about prioritizing what brings you the most value. The second mistake is not differentiating between wants and needs. It's simple. If you want it but can live without it, it's a want. And on the road to doubling your savings, distinguishing between the two is crucial. And here comes the third, paying for luxuries first and then thinking about saving. Let's change the script. Let's pay our future self first, and then, with what's left, live the present. These are just some of the holes through which your money escapes. Closing them is just the beginning. Stay tuned because what follows will transform those small savings into great financial achievements. You've patched the holes. Now it's time to fill the well. Let's start with the basics. Budgeting is not a four-headed monster. It's your most faithful ally in this battle against unnecessary spending. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to create a savings plan that's not only easy to follow, but can also be surprisingly fun. Step 1. Identify your fixed expenses. These are the known villains of your financial story: rent, utilities, debts. Write them down. You can't avoid them, but you can learn to manage them. Step 2. Take a close look at your variable expenses. This is where the magic of saving begins. Outings, subscriptions, impulse buys. Do you really need all that? It's time to make smart decisions. Step 3. The envelope method. For each spending category, allocate an envelope with the cash you can spend. When the envelope is empty, there's no more spending in that category. Simple, right? Now, the trick to doubling your savings isn't just cutting expenses, it's knowing what to do with what you save. Don't just leave it there, staring at you from your account. Invest it. This is where most get stuck, but I'll guide you to make the right decisions without fear. Speaking of investing, have you ever heard of compound interest? It's the saver's best friend. What you invest today can grow exponentially over time. But let's go step by step. The first thing is to consolidate your savings cushion, and then we'll make that money grow. You've got your expenses in order and are ready for the next level. Now, we face the great financial crossroads: to save or to invest. This is where the game is defined. Saving is good, but investing is like giving wings to your money. Let me make something clear. Saving is like keeping your money in a safe under your bed. Safe, but stationary. Inflation can even cause it to lose value over time. Investing, on the other hand, is like sending your money to the gym. It strengthens, grows, and works for you. Compound interest? It's the most powerful force in the financial universe. Albert Einstein once said that those who understand it earn it. Those who don't, pay it. It's the difference between earning a little each year and doubling your savings every few years. But how do you harness this force? First, forget about passing fads and investments. You don't need to be a wolf of Wall Street to make smart decisions. Let's look for investments that give you peace of mind and steady growth. Diversification is the key word. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Shares of solid companies, indexed funds, bonds. These are terms that will soon become your growth tools. And remember, time is your ally. Starting early means that even small contributions can become large sums. So, the sooner you start, the better. Your journey towards saving is already underway, and you've seen how investing can accelerate your progress. But what if I told you there's more? That you can boost your finances even further. It's time to talk about maximizing income.
If this video is opening your eyes to finance, hit like to support this channel and help us keep uploading more content. Comment on your biggest revelation so far and subscribe with the bell on so you don't miss any financial secrets. And if you have a friend or family member who could benefit from this video, spread the word by sharing it. Let's continue with more strategies that will change your financial future.
What would you do if you had a machine that makes money while you sleep? That's passive income. It's not magic, it's strategy. And I'm here to reveal ways to create that machine. Let's start with the basics. If you have a talent or skill, it's time to monetize it. From writing an ebook to creating online courses, the options are endless. The internet has opened doors that many don't even know exist. Then there are real estate investments. Rentals that not only pay for themselves, but also provide a steady flow of income. And you don't have to buy a mansion. Small apartments in strategic areas can be your starting point. And what about stocks that pay dividends? Invest wisely, and you could be receiving checks regularly, like a waterfall flowing straight into your bank account. Don't forget to reinvest those earnings. The power of compound interest doesn't stop. Every reinvested dollar is another soldier in your financial army, fighting for your economic freedom. But wait, there's more. Do you know the secret of those who have truly achieved financial freedom? They don't stop. They don't settle. They create multiple streams of income. And you can do the same. Now, it's the crucial moment, building your 30-day plan to double your savings. It's not a magic wand, but a proven path to financial success. Grab a pen and paper, because this plan requires action and commitment. Week 1. Evaluation and strategy. Days 1 and 2. Evaluate your current finances. How much do you have? Where is it going? Days 3 and 4. Set clear saving goals. How much do you want to have at the end of the month? Days 5 to 7. Create a realistic budget and start applying the envelope method. Week 2. Expense reduction. Days 8 and 9. Identify unnecessary expenses and eliminate them. Netflix, gym, coffee? Days 10 and 11. Look for ways to reduce bills. Negotiations, provider changes. Days 12 to 14. Review your fixed expenses. Is there anything you can adjust? Week 3. Income increase. Days 15 and 16. Explore passive income options. Business ideas, digital products. Days 17 and 18. Sell what you don't need. Secondhand markets, online auctions. Days 19 to 21. Invest in income-generating assets. Dividends, real estate. Week 4. Optimization and investment. Days 22 and 23. Review your investment plan. Are you diversified? Is it safe and profitable? Days 24 and 25. Automate your savings. Automatic transfers to your investment account. Days 26 to 28. Learn about finances. Books, courses, seminars. Days 29 and 30. Evaluation and adjustments. Review your progress. Have you reached your savings goal? Adjust your strategy for the next month. This plan isn't static. It's your personal roadmap. Discipline is your best ally, and consistency is your secret weapon. It's not about monumental changes overnight, but about small, steady steps that make a big difference. And now that you have the plan, it's time to put it into action. Action is what separates the dreamers from the doers. Are you ready to take the step and become one of the doers? This is the moment to act, to take control, to ensure that every day you are closer to your goal. Keep your eyes on the prize and remember, every little effort counts. You're building more than just savings. You're building the future you desire. Let's recap. Today we've dismantled myths, charted plans, and ignited that spark of action towards doubling your savings. And you know what? This is just the beginning. By applying what you've learned today, you're not just doubling your savings, but also redefining your financial future. Now, take a moment to look back and ask yourself, was it worth it? If the answer is a resounding yes, then you know your next steps. Put the plan into motion, stay the course, and adjust as necessary. Your future self will thank you. And if you found that this journey has given you new tools, new perspectives, share this knowledge. Let others know that change is possible, that financial freedom isn't just a mirage, but an achievable destination. Ready for the next level? Don't let today's motivation fade with the dawn. Subscribe now, because there's much more on the way. And remember, in finances, as in life, constant motion is the key to growth. Don't stop here. Let's go further. Thank you for joining me on this financial journey. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment with your saving strategies, and share it with those who you know will benefit from these tips. This has been your financial moment of the day. Keep up the energy, keep learning, and take action. Until next time, and remember, your prosperity is in your hands,